Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And this is an unexpected, evidently part 3 at this point. And I'm going to use my tools, my toothy tools, as well as my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula to add some desired gaps. And some stripes, because I felt the need for more black and I didn't have it. I do want to attempt, I'm going to try, oh boy, I'm nervous about this. I'm going to try some of my gold. Where am I going to put this black? I think the black's going to go right there. I've got a studio rag. It's a damp piece of cotton turtleneck. And it's great for wiping off your tools. And I do love I do love my new tool. I got this on my Amazon link, and I did take a razor blade to it. I'm going to wipe off some gold around the edge. Try and recalibrate myself back into your viewing area. I think a little more. Maybe even a little more still. I'm hoping that I can cover the edges tomorrow. Could have left the extra, but the canvas is dry, so it's not a problem. And I'm having a good time. I am going to keep wiping off my spatula so I don't get any gunk. I think I'm better off with puddles and then making adjustments. I have gold. I should just grab a new spatula. I can wipe this off on my Lolafi silicone mat, and that won't hurt anything, because eventually, someday, I really fantasize about making a collage with skins, and I'm sorry I haven't gotten around to it. I do want to be a little careful about the edges. I'd like them not to be too rough. And I have to spread the paint out pretty well, or I wind up with my lines filling in. I haven't used white yet, or maybe I did in one piece, but it wasn't solely. So I'm definitely thinking about using a black canvas. I am going to scrape off my residuals, because there are residuals Maybe I'm going to spread my residuals. That seems more likely at the moment. Because as long as there's pretty colors under there, and I'm scraping them off, we're all set. Except for when I just did that. Which seemed to work out okay, fortunately for me. I am interested in contemplating which of my little tools I'm going to use. And I'm thinking that I might like it to be the littlest one. Which I really can't see as well as I'd like to, and I wonder if I was out of your vision. If I was, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to do that the other way around. I have no idea what that gap came from. Oh, I do, because there's a black area under there. Duh, wow. Brain cramp. So that's cool. I'm thinking of finishing that with the bigger tool. Kind of like that. I don't mind the black corner either. So that leaves me this last area. Although I think there's going to be some more gold. I think this started out as a feather. I don't think I ever showed that video because I was going to put more feathers in it. But that's that gray black area. Alright, so far so good. One more gold area. 2, 4, 5, 6. Might need another one. Or a smaller spatula. I know I said gold and then I did black. That sounds like me. I am focused. I am quiet because I am focused. And I want to use... Yes, do I dare? I guess I dared right into my gold. Okay. Grab a little bit of water. It's not like you can really tell the difference between smeared black paint and what was underneath, so it's really not a problem. You can get away with a lot. So be ready with a damp rag if there's something you want to remove. I like those marks. So I'm thinking about doing one more spatula full. I'm going to get rid of this, I believe. This black. Make sure I've used up as much of it as I can. Throw that in the bucket. Grab another spatula. I think that'll be alright. I never tried to cross over yet, but I've only just started doing this. Gold works so well, because I realize it takes me like 3 coats to prime the canvas. That one looks like it's crossing over. I expect to learn little tricks as I go along, but so far I'm just going for broke. I'm going in. All right, if I want those little marks out of there, now's the time to get rid of them. I kind of like them actually. No, they gotta go. All right, so whatever else I want to do, I use the gold on my finger. I think that's good. 2, 4, 5, 6. There should be an uneven number. So I'll put one more mark in. Hopefully you can see me, but maybe you can't. I tend to forget. But it's all about sharing the picture. Wipe your fingers off. I'm going to grab the little one. All right, I think that's all right. I love how the hot orchid stains through the gold, so remember that's going to happen. I can't do that. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. I love you guys. I think I told you everything at the end of the last video, but just in case I didn't, check out the end screen video for the exhibition video. Will include the prizes for the monthly drawing. The monthly drawing supports the production of videos at the studio and the purchase of art supplies. So it's kind of imperative, but there's never really more than 15 people in it. It happens at the very beginning of the month. That's cool. I love these. I know it's cheating, but I don't care because they're so cool. All right. There's all kinds of stuff I should ask for you. Please, can you give me a thumbs up? Will you share my videos? When you watch them longer, you help me out. If you watch some of the playlists, you can find them by going to my YouTube channel, searching for playlists, then looking for all playlists, and then created playlists. If you can't find what you're looking for, I have everything organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And you may ask me. Underneath the link tree, which has got all kinds of links on it, you'll find my email address should you be interested in inquiring about lessons, private lessons one-on-one at the studio in Spring Hill, Florida, or purchasing an artwork. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Please feel free to ask questions if you'd like to. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. On the Amazon link are my 2 books and 4 lists of tools and awesome stuff that I love. And the Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. And Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, my Facebook groups, my Legalers clothing made in Montreal, investment quality, and my brand new Society 6 store. Please check out the Society 6 store. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting. You know who you are. I love you dearly. Thank you so much for keeping this going. I want to say, take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Oh, come on, timer. Turn off. No. Thank you. I'm going to turn the light out, and hopefully you'll get a better view. I just love these. Who wouldn't love that? Come on. I think it's awesome. Well, it could be just me. Let me know. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Are you here?